Hello, everyone. Welcome to Chowe MK. Good evening to you, or good morning to you, wherever you are. Today we'll be speaking about charts in Forex. What is charts in Forex trading? Um, so you know, like in Forex, we also need charts. So what is chart mostly? It's like a map, Google map, or map of anything, map of our city. You need a map for everything. So in online trading, we also need a map, and our map is chart. Okay, so map is the one. Map is the place that you will look. You are able to direct yourself or allocate place that you are looking to go. Okay, so if you are in Sydney example, and I were to go to the city and I've not been there before, I have to look on a map for direction, So I will not just jump into my car and start driving without knowing where I'm heading to. First, I have to use my GPS, whatever navigation that I'm using to show me where I'm going. So, forest trading, our maps are charts. Without the charts, it will be very difficult for us to trade. It's one of the main components of trading. So you absolutely chart is very, very important in trading. Um, I will show you, I will first explain to you a little bit about it, and then I will show you on my broker how it look like. Yeah, phase one for the beginners, guys. We stay on that in the forex. What is forex? This all part of it. So now we are talking about, or I am talking about charts in forex trading. Forex charts are graphical representation of currency pair and price movement over specific time frames. They are essential tools for technical analysis, allowing traders to identify trends and patterns and entering an exit point for buying or selling. Uh, so it's chart is a key component, key components and types of forex chart. Price, time, and charts. So the exchange rate between two currency, example Europe, US, plotted over time from minute to month. So I will show you on my platform now, MT4 platform, how the chart look like when you open your platform. Yeah, so this is my platform here, MT4 platform. First, We will head to the currency we are looking for, Europe, US, as an example. So we right click on the pair we're trying to open. Here, as you can see, chart window. So we click on that. That's that's how it will look like when you first open it. Okay. And the time frames, which is 1 hour, mostly the default, whenever you open each chart, it will be set to 1 hour, but you can change it from 1 minute to up to monthly, whatever, to 1 month. I mean, yeah. So we first let me just do some setting up with this. Go to property. Let's design the background to remain black. The foreground should remain white, which are the number here on the side, on the edge here. And then the bar up to remain plain. The bar down, we can change that to red. And then the bull candle, change that to green. Go to the line. And then the beer candle, change that to red. And then we show the source period separators. So click that, then OK. See. So, and then there we go. That's the chart right there. So on this chart here, guys, this the where you can identify the trend, you identify your entering point, your exit point, wherever you are looking for. You look for opportunity, where to enter, where to exit, everything happen on this chart. So it tells us where the market price at the moment, as you see down here. It also tells us where the trend, if it's downtrend, as we can see this period, it's this period here, as we see from here, it's telling us already it's a downtrend, for that period. Okay. So that's how important the chart is. And so, yeah, we go back to yeah, so that was just the Forex chart. I'll show you on a platform right there. So how charts are used. Technical analysts, traders use charts to predict future price movement based on historical patterns. So like I explained to you, so you go back there, you need to identify whatever indicator you may be using or whatever strategy you may be using is all there on that chart. You just try to implement your strategy, and by identifying different patterns which come out, you will learn later on. And so, yeah, guys, it's not much to talk about, but it's good that you can go. There's a lot of uh, explanation online. You can read about it, learn more about it, you know, and be familiar with it. So, chart patterns, recognizable formation like head and shoulder, triangles or double toss button suggests potential trend reversal or continuation of the trend. Hmm. So chart and complex price data into visual, actionable insights to help remove guesswork from trading decision. So, like I said, chart is very important, guys. Very, very important. All right. Like without that, we are trading is like we are driving while our eye is closed. Okay, that's how it is. So here, we identify opportunity, different opportunity on this chart. The bottom here, you know, double bottom like here or double top. All these things like that's just how chart is. Okay, so when we say forest chart, this is what we are talking about. And then whatever strategy people will trade, some people do trade price, price action, people trade, add different indicators on this chart. You want to add different, your own strategy on this, you add it on the chart. You want to trade 1 minute time frame chart here. These are the time frame, 5 minute time frame, so up to 1 month time frame, whatever you want to trade or that's best suit your trading strategy. Okay, so that's just what chat is, guys. So I don't want to waste most of your time, but you go ahead, go read about it, go learn more about it, you know, make yourself familiar with chat, download a demo account, demo platform from the broker you are with, and then play with it, you know, be comfortable with it, be confident, what know what you are doing, so that will help you when you start to so that's just how chat work, boys, guys. All right, so don't want to waste your time much. I will see you tomorrow for another video. We are still continuing with this educational video. So disclaimer once again, remember this is not a financial advice, it's an educational purpose only. So you must seek your own professional advice and do not invest where you cannot afford to lose. Trading also involves risks. So it's not the overnight get rich scheme. Okay. So please take your own time, identify yourself with all these different tools of trading. Okay. Before you can even think of to start. Yeah, guys, thanks for the times and see you tomorrow or watch out for tomorrow for the next video. Uh, yeah, so please subscribe to the channel and subscribe to my video, my YouTube channel, Treyway MK, Facebook channel, Treyway MK, Instagram, Treyway MK. So wherever you are, please follow and like the videos. Um, After this training, we are doing like I will start trading live, and then you will see my own strategy. I will be placing trade on live. You will see that, and you will know what I'm doing. So before I start doing that, I just want to make sure that at least you know what you are doing. If you're a new beginner, that will give you more ideas and more understanding. Okay, guys, thanks for the time. Thanks. Good night. And we are already 9:40 p.m. So good night to everyone, or good if you're in the night time or in the daytime, good day to you. Enjoy your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.